Hello and welcome. I'm going to pull from the Angel Number Oracle deck for a quick message. What message do you have for those watching? Thank you. 777. Good luck, contentment, prosperity, abundance, spiritual awakening, divine intervention. This message is most likely to reach you during intense uncertainty. You'll come out winning from everything that may come your way. It's also a sign that you have much life experience and wisdom to share. Yet you'll need enthusiasm and effort to get this message to others. Stay blessed.